Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to use the battery saver feature of Windows 10. Battery saver feature is very handy feature to extend your battery life. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my Windows. Now to use battery saver feature, first of all click on this battery over here and go to this battery settings. And after that you can find this interface. Over here you can see battery saver, and you can see here is turn battery saver on automatically if the battery falls below. And if I check this, and you can see I can change this percentage by just clicking and dragging over here. I'll keep it to 60%. That means when my battery falls below 60%, my battery saver of this computer will be activated. Also, you can see lower screen brightness while in battery saver. You can just check this on, and if the battery level comes below 60%, our screen brightness will be lowered. In this way, we can use battery saver feature in Windows 10. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.